Microphones come in various shapes, sizes, and for different applications. Each of them serves a different purpose and are designed accordingly. This means you need to know what kind of mic you'd require based on your needs. If you have limited knowledge about this, you may end up with a type that does not serve your purpose. For the most part and for easy understanding, microphones can be divided into two large categories, dynamic and condenser. In this video, we're looking at these two types and helping you choose the right one for your needs. Keep in mind that in this video, our aim is to just give you a primer of the two most popular types of microphones in terms of their operating principles. There are other types as well, but we are only sticking to these two. Before we get into it, please subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Now, let's dive in. Almost all microphones work by deploying some kind of diaphragm that captures sound and converts them from acoustical energy to electrical signal for further amplification and sound reproduction. The difference lies in the way their capsules are designed and operate. Dynamic microphones work by the movement of a thin diaphragm, usually mylar plastic, that is attached to a coil of wire suspended in a magnetic field. As the sound wave moves the diaphragm and the coil, an electric current is generated that is amplified to provide sound. Condenser microphones, on the other hand, work slightly differently. The electric current is generated by a variation in voltage caused by the movement of a diaphragm. But this one isn't attached to anything. Instead, as the sound moves the diaphragm, the distance between it and an electrically charged backplate changes. This backplate usually draws power via an external batteries or phantom power from the mixer. This change in electrical current creates fluctuations in voltage, which is then amplified to create your sound. So what does this all mean for you? Let's keep things simple. Dynamic microphones do not generate a high current, so the level it captures is quite low. It relies on the preamp or gain from the mixer or sound card or audio interface. This means that in comparison to condenser microphones, dynamic microphones are less sensitive and tend to pick up the sounds that are closer to the microphone and efficiently reject off-axis sounds, noises, and artifacts. Before you assume this is a shortcoming, it is not. We'll explain why shortly. On the other hand, as condenser microphones have their own active power supply of sorts, they give a higher current and thereby a louder and clearer sound output. They are generally more sensitive with a wider frequency range. They have a more transparent sound, and when used little further away from the source, they deliver a natural and fuller tone. As dynamic microphones are less sensitive, they can be used for close miking applications. This makes it versatile for singing, speech, podcasting, and instrument recording. They're also perfect for spaces that are prone to external noises, especially outdoors, as they reject off-axis sounds. Dynamic microphones are also preferred to record percussive instruments or loud sources, as they handle high sound pressure levels much more effectively. Condenser microphones offer more sensitivity and thereby higher fidelity. This is preferred as it offers a more lifelike sound. Condenser microphones also pick up ambient sounds and acoustics to deliver a natural tonality. That being said, they may also pick up other sound sources, noises, and artifacts in the room. This can be easily mitigated by closed miking or having a less noisy room with some acoustic treatment. Condenser microphones work well for all applications such as singing, speech, podcasting, and instrument recording in rooms with less ambient sounds. So, how do you visually differentiate between the two types? You can't always tell whether a mic is a dynamic or a condenser just by looking at it. So if you aren't sure, check out the specifications on the manufacturer's website. Below are common examples of each of the types of microphones. Most handheld wired and wireless microphone systems are dynamic. However, as mentioned earlier, it is best to check the specifications. Popular dynamic microphones on UberPad are as follows. Wired variants include Shure SM58, Shure SM57, AKG P3, Audio-Technica ATR 2100X, and wireless variants include Shure BLX24 RIN B58 and Sennheiser EW100 G4 835S, to name a few. Condenser microphones, on the other hand, come in a wide variety of shape and sizes, each designed for a specific application. Popular condenser microphones on UberPad are as follows. Large diaphragm variants such as Shure Motive MV7, Rode NT1A, Rode Podcaster MK2, and AKG P120. Lavalier and lapel microphones such as JBL Commercial CLSM20, CLSM20B, Shure Motive MVL, Rode Lavalier Go, Rode SmartLav Plus, and Audio-Technica ATR 3350 XIS. They also include other types of podium, ceiling, boundary, and shotgun microphones available on UberPad. Other aspects such as polar pattern, connector types such as XLR, Mini XLR, 3.5mm TRRS, and USB etc. also play a key role in the microphone selection process. We'll be looking at them in our future videos. So, do subscribe to our channel to learn more. Uberpad has a great collection of both dynamic and condenser microphones from leading global brands. If you need any further assistance on buying one for your recording needs, feel free to get in touch with Uberpad support. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for more such interesting and informational videos. Thank you for watching.